In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the type of an item from non-inventory to inventory in QuickBooks Online. This is a useful skill for managing your items and keeping your inventory records accurate and up to date. If you're ready to go, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. From the options available, choose QuickBooks Online. It's important to ensure that you're logged into the right account before proceeding to avoid any confusion later on. Once you're on the sign-in page, enter your QuickBooks credentials. Make sure your username and password are correct, and then click Continue. This will take you to your QuickBooks Online dashboard where you can access all your financial data and management tools. Now that you're logged in, go over to the Sales section, accessible through the left-hand menu. In QuickBooks Online, the Sales tab is your go-to for anything related to managing customers and products. You'll see a variety of options here, but today we're focusing on altering item types. Next, select the Products and Services option. This section lists all the products and services your business offers. It's crucial for maintaining accurate inventory data, so getting familiar with this section will serve you well. Now, find the item that you want to change from non-inventory to inventory. Click on the Edit option next to the item's details. This allows you to modify various attributes of your items, including their type. At the top of the edit page, you'll see a link that says Change Type. Click on that link. This is where you'll choose the type of item the product will be categorized as, which directly impacts how QuickBooks handles the item behind the scenes. From the options presented, choose Inventory. Changing an item to inventory status means that QuickBooks will start tracking quantities on hand, which is critical for businesses that need to keep a clear record of available stock. Finally, after selecting the inventory option, make sure to click the Save and Close button to apply your changes. This ensures your edits are saved and QuickBooks updates the item type seamlessly in your system. And there you have it, you've successfully changed an item type from non-inventory to inventory in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just tidying up your books or ensuring your inventory is being accurately tracked, this simple action makes a big difference. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials on managing your business with QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.